Here we are sitting in the dengue room, and now we are going to show you the CBC machine. So once we get the CBC vial, and this is the needle, and this is the monitor here. So here we have to go on to the next sample, and then we enter some number here, like it is 257, and I will erase this number, and now I will enter the new number, and now we will do the enter and OK from here. And now we can, when we have the new sample here, the CBC vial, we will put here the CBC vial, and then we will press this button on the back side. And then right now you can see here we haven't attached any sample, but this is drawing the sample, trying to draw the sample. And now we will, after it will be done, now here it will show the new readings of the sample. As we haven't attached any sample here, once we attach the sample, and then it will start counting here the RBC count, the WBC count, like you can see here, and then all the readings, the WBC count here. As we didn't attach any sample, the results are null. Once we attach the CBC vial here, the needle goes inside and the sample the result comes out. Here we will see the result. The WBC is lymphocyte count, the granulocyte count, and then here RBC is hemoglobin, MCV, MCH, MC, HC, red distribution width, and then platelet count. And these are other parameters related to the platelet count, and it also shows the curves for that. So now now the machine is ready for the next sample to calculate. If we want to calculate the next sample, we can click on this button and then we can do again. So this is about the CBC machine. So if you are in some urgent situation, you want to do the CBC while and there is no CBC test through a machine and there is no one there to help you out, then you can do that by your own.